Today we're going to craft a house for mermaids.
Oh, then we'll need tails.
Now Rumi.
Hi, superstar. Now it's Mira's turn. What a cutie. Let's start with the room.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Mira! Yay! Let's open it.
This will be a fluffy room. It's so soft in here.
The snail will help us cover the walls. Let's go along the top.
Whoa, is that slime? So sticky.
Wow. Lali, don't get your hands messy. Let's clean this up.
Oh no, now I'm messy too.
Let's cover it quickly with fabric. There we go, fluffy walls. Now, what about the floor?
Here's an idea.
Perfect, this yarn is so soft. I'll lay it in rows. Great idea, I love it.
The room is just as fluffy as your tail.
You're right. Girls, look, I gathered a bunch of corals.
Corals? Can they be soft?
Of course, if they're made from chenille wire. I twist them into spirals and done. These springy shapes turned out great. Let's decorate the corners with them. And we can secure them with a pin. So cute.
I saw these super cool things on TikTok, but I got tangled.
You know what? I'll use my phone. All right, let's watch the hack. Okay, it looks simple. Here, then here. Let's try. Twisting the wires together. Wrapping another color around a straw. Removing the spiral to thread the strand through. Twisting the ends. Curling the feelers. And gluing plastic eyes. It's a snail! Awesome, just like in the video.
Done!
Mine worked too.
Lalulu, look!
Girls, you did amazing! Let's place these sea creatures on the fluffy wall. It's so cozy here, I love it. Oh, who is this? Hi, Mr. Snail.
Good boy, he helped us.
Lalalo, what are you doing? I'm drawing a house for the snail so he stops running away. What do you think, Peter? Let's try it on. The size is just right. Cutting a hole in the cup. Perfect. Removing the top, and there will be a ball on the roof.
Let me glue it. All set, super secure. Oops. We can decorate with the balls.
Great idea, Lali. They're so soft. Let's line them along the edge.
Look, I've got antennas!
Cute snail. Let's put them here. Twist the wires together. Oh, where's Peter? Oh, hi, little one. I'll decorate the edge with stickers. Perfect. A snail won't run away from a house like this. It turned out so beautiful. Thank you, Lalulu. That's a great wall. Let's put it right here.
My movie is soon. Oh, are we remodeling?
Hey, can I borrow your cup?
What for?
Well, I'll show you what we can make from it. We need to cut off the bottom. Now we slice the cut. Scissors will be easier. Like this, lengthwise. Carefully.
I'll add the glue.
Let's attach the halves on top. They fit perfectly here. I'm adding a second row of shingles.
I'll secure everything with glue so it won't fall off.
I'm cutting adhesive tape into strips. Oh, this is faster. It'll make great decor. I peel off the backing and decorate the wall. Done!
I found ruffles! Oops!
Great! I'll add them to the roof.
Something's missing. Oh, is that a ball?
You know, we can still use these balls. I'll cut them in half, gluing them to the wall. All right, let's glue it in the center. Yep, and the final touch.
Wow, is this my room? It's in a pearl style. Everything is so pretty. Oh, and this decor matches my tail perfectly. Lalulu, what are you doing here?
Oh, perfect timing, Zoey. I decided to make you a bed. But first, let's clear away these pearls. Just a little more. Great, here's the base. I'll cover it with thin plastic and flip it over. I trace the container with a marker. Now we can cut it out. Carefully. Let's squeeze the slime into a dish.
Press harder. It kind of feels like goo. Share in the comments what you think about this hack.
Let's cut out some sparkly drips. You need to be careful with the scissors here. That's it. Decorate the edges. A soft headboard. Wow, cute pillows. The bed is ready.
Wow, is that for me?
Yep. Oh wait, what are you sitting on?
I don't know. It was just standing here.
In my workshop, nothing sits around unused. Stay right there for a second. I know. Remove this half. Now this part. Yep, I'll coat the inside with varnish. Sprinkle in some glitter. Look at that sparkle. Now this piece. I'll attach an organza ribbon to it. Swim, little jellyfish. Oops. Thank you. I put the thread to make a ruffle. Yes, nice, a real tentacle. I'll add a few more ribbons. Decorating with a pearl string. Now we can hang it.
Such a beautiful chandelier.
Let's place a vanity table in the corner. A comfy chair right next to it.
What about above?
Let's decorate everything with pearl strands.
Cool, it matches my jellyfish chandelier perfectly.
Now it's your turn. Yay, finally.
Don't stop! Hold on!
Why? It's Rumi's turn now.
Wait a second!
Lali, what's wrong? What's this?
I didn't have time to tidy up here.
Where did all this mess come from?
I was cutting decor and left everything behind.
So what do we do with all this? No worries, I'll help. Can I use this? Look, Lali made shiny scales. Wow, so pretty.
We can decorate the walls with them. Oh!
It's okay. I'll coat the circles with glue and stick them here. The whole room will sparkle. I'll fill the surface, alternating colors. Don't leave any gaps. Wow. Oh, we're short for the third wall. Only 2 pieces left.
Okay. It looks nice. See how pretty?
You think so? It feels a bit off to me.
What's that up there?
Let me think. Sequin fabric? Oh, perfect. Wow, so fancy.
I love sparkles.
Just right for the third wall. Wow.
Here, have a drink, Lalalu.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I can't drink this. There's fabric inside.
I was joking.
You know, this is exactly the material I needed. I'll lay it on the floor.
Wow, so cool. Ocean teal color. But you know, it still feels a bit empty.
Let's fix that. Look here.
Ooh, real treasures. I know what to do with them.
Let's glue together crystals of different shapes. It'll look amazing. You're right, Rumi. Let's decorate with purple gems.
I'll add a starfish. And there, perfect.
Great job, Rumi. I think they'll look amazing in the center of the room.
I've got important business.
Wow, are these treasures for my home? Open it, I can't wait. What? Like clay, why? I wanted something pretty.
Now, Rumi. Lalalu, help us.
We'll make something special out of the clay. Pop. Mixing 2 shades together. Kneading it well. How do you like this shape idea? Look, you need to roll this piece into a long droplet. Making little dents with a tool. Bending the edges to add volume. What does it look like to you? I'll curl this part inward. Flatten it a bit. Oh, a gorgeous shell. Coating it with pearly varnish. Sprinkling glitter. Super fancy style. Attaching it to the base. Curved armrests.
So, is it ready yet?
Yep.
Awesome! Let's swim to Rumi.
I'm right behind you. We made a luxurious sofa. It turned out so beautiful.
All done?
Yep.
Today we made 3 ocean-style rooms. A pearl one for me.
And a sparkly diamond one for me. And a fluffy one for me and Peter. Oh, where did he crawl off to again? Wow, you're adorable.
Love it, total vibe. But these legs need to become a tail.
I need my notebook for this. It always has great ideas. Okay, now I'll show a full tutorial on how to make a mermaid tail. My pencil case, markers for every taste. I'll take blue. Hop, yeah, hop.
A few moments later.
Now it's working. Finally. Tracing the doll outline. Okay, sketch is ready. I'll tear the page out to make it easier. Now we cut the tail.
I can do that. Snip, snip.
Done.
So cool. Oh, what's that? Looks interesting.
Let's check. I knew it! This is tail material. Pinning the template and cutting along the edges. Sewing the halves by hand.
Is it ready?
Yep, try it on. Perfect. Oh no, the seahorse is tangled in the net. Let me help. There, you're free, little one. And we can use the net. Wrapping the tail. And now it's done. Oh wait, where's the fin? Hold on. Oh, these laces are perfect. Folding them together and sealing the edges. Need to treat them. Again. Oh, got it. Slightly melt the ends. Done. Same on the other side. Clamp. Cut. Heat. I'm a bit clumsy today. Now we've got fin halves. Attach them to the tip and done. Oh, did you see that? Is there treasure here?
Did someone say treasure? I'm coming! My tail can handle it.
Wow, a chest. Let's open it.
So pretty.
And so many accessories. Let's add a pearl belt. Decorating the tail. Final touches. 10 out of 10. The look is amazing. So many details. I love it. Time for school.
Hey Siri, what's the weather?
In the historic capital of France, it's plus 25 degrees Celsius. Perfect weather for blooming season. And across the US, it's plus 30.
No rain! Awesome!
Then let's dry the tail. Wipe it well.
Nice!
Your ride is here. Hop in.
Lalalu, let's go!
Full speed ahead. We're here.
Perfect. What a beautiful day. Hey, they said sunshine!
Oh my, you've grown so much. Just yesterday you were tiny.
Don't cry, Lalalu. Let's take a picture. Come on, smile.
Aw. Oh, bye-bye. Good luck at school.
My first day. Yay! There's so much here. Why are you all standing here? Waiting for Huntrix.
Yeah.
Look, here they are. Huntrix.
Please welcome your favorite band on stage.
Wow, I love their style.
Where's Huntrix?
Ready? Let's start the show.
Hey. And I told her, if bananas are on the table, they're for everyone.
Yeah.
That's right, bro.
Oops, oh, my cola.
Huh? Oh no, not this. Phew, dodged it. Oops.
Want to sing with us?
Of course, it's my dream.
Lali, it's starting to rain.
Shine behind the mirror, brighter than the stars. Skill is my crown. Oh no! Wow, did you see that? Mermaids are the biggest trend.
Where are the mermaids?
Do you really like my tail? Yes, it's gorgeous. Can we take a picture?
Now Lali is the center of attention.
Wait, I don't get it. Where are the mermaids?
And now a photo with Huntrix.
Why am I the one who can't see? High five.
Everyone loves Lali's tail.
Thanks for the support.
I've got a checklist for Mermaid Lali. Hair, top, tail, and accessories.
Wow, that's a lot to do.
Don't worry, it'll be great. Just close your eyes. Lali, you're not peeking, right? Hey, I said no peeking.
Okay. I'm not looking now.
Let's make you look amazing real quick. All right, styling the hair.
Can I look now?
Amazing.
Wow, that's such a fancy style. It turned out amazing. I love it.
Woohoo! Perfect, first step done. Now a top for a real mermaid. Here's the fabric. Stitching it by hand and adding gathers. Right in the center. Decorating with shells. A little scale detail on the arms, and we can check it off. Yep, marking it done. Next, the most important part, the tail. We already made one today, remember? Placing the doll on the fabric and tracing it. Who's ticklish here?
Stop!
All right, enough playing. Time to cut. Just like this. Carefully. Done. Now we sew the halves together. I'll do it by hand. No need for the machine. Voila! Time to try it on. The tail fits perfectly, just like I planned.
What about the scales?
Oh, I forgot those. 1 second, I've got something. Hold on. Perfect mesh. Wrapping the tail.
Gorgeous.
Decorating the belt with trim.
Oh, Lalalu, how do I swim without a fin?
Let's make one from felt. placing the template and tracing it. Now the second piece. Yep. Great, just need to cut it out. Attaching it to the tail tip.
Something's missing.
Let's add some fins on top. Perfect, but that's not all. I've got some shiny organza. Cutting a piece and gathering it. Yep, like this. Adding glue to the edge and attaching it on the side. Decorating with shells. We can add a few more. Looks stunning.
Can I check off the third item?
Of course, go ahead.
Tail done. We did it!
Only accessories left. Pop. Necklace on. Adding a shell. Aw, Lali looks adorable.
Thank you.
That's it, checklist complete. Marking the last box. Oh no, we're running out of time.
Right, I have to get to the beach. Let's swim.
Oh, hold on, that won't work.
Why not?
You can't go like that with your tail.
So what do I do?
We need to dry it. My hair dryer will handle it. Done.
Awesome. All right, I'm off to relax. Sand, waves, finally.
Lie down and relax.
Whoa, sun loungers, total chill. Oh, Laloo, the sun is so bright here.
Here are your sunglasses. Let me help you put them on.
Nice, that's much better. You always need SPF in the sun.
Applying sunscreen to Lali's face.
So comfy. This is so relaxing. Look, a ball.
Wanna play?
Yes. Go get it.
Over here! Here comes a super shot. Get ready, and boom!
That really was a super shot. Oh no, the ball flew straight into the sea.
Oh no, how can we get it back? Huh? Oh, what's that noise? Guys, what happened? Our ball flew into the sea. I'll try to help.
Their mood instantly lifted.
That's better, right? I'll grab the ball now. Watch this.
Lali swims like a real fish.
I can see it already. You won't even blink. Go, Lali, go! Got it, did you see? Catch it and don't lose it again. Thank you. Happy to help. Wow, did you see that? What an amazing tail. We want to swim like you too. Lali, teach us. I'd love to, but I don't have the right equipment.
Don't worry, I've got this. I'll need some chenille wire. Let me pick, yep, definitely pink. Twisting a regular one with a sparkly one. Now we've got a cute cord. Shaping it into a ring, connecting the ends. I'll make 2 smaller ones. Perfect. Now I need a straw. Yep, this one works. A drop of glue on the tip and attach the ring. Placing them on the shells. Easy peasy. With rings, learning to swim is way more fun.
Welcome to my swimming school.
And here's the training gear.
Just what we need.
High five, bestie.
All right, I'm the teacher now. Gotta be serious. Girls, everyone over here. We're here, Miss Lali. Yay. Today we're learning how to swim. Awesome. You need to swim through these rings. Like this. Hop. See? It's super easy. Wow, that was so cool. Thank you, girls. Now it's your turn. It's easier than it looks. Then me, I'll go first. Good job, you've got this. Thank you, Miss Lali. I'm ready. Hop. Almost. Got it. Now the next ring. Great, one more left. I did it. See? Well done. Now you girls. I won't be able to do it.
Come on, we are here.
Okay. Oh, this ring is so small. How do I can't do it. Oops. Want me to help? Like this, slowly. I did it, yes! See? Great. Mermaids, you all did amazing. You swam through every training ring. I knew you could do it. Now you can relax. We have a surprise for you. I'm so proud of you. And we're proud of you too. Let's dance together.
Write in the comments which look you liked most. See you soon. Bye-bye.